This week we published the first video in our Explore series for learners in grades 2 through 7. This episode focused on how a bird's anatomy helps it fly, and included videos created by students that were focused on fascinating factoids related to birds. After viewing the video, have students select a topic discussed in the program that they'd like to learn more about, research that topic, and then create their own short factoid video about it. Encourage their critical and creative thinking skills as they determine the topic they want to pursue, the information that's best to share in the short time of the video, and the images that best complement the information they want to present. Don't have video equipment or have students who like to draw? Have them create a storyboard instead on poster board, paper, or presentation software. Share student work with the class or the school community through online posts or an in-person exhibition.